Hello everyone, welcome to my very first video on YouTube. I'm Rajiv Roy and today I'll show you one of the best and effective ways to earn some money out of writing online. So if you are having talent in writing or if you are having good writing skills, then I have a very good website for you. It is writerbay.com. So Writerbay is known to give work to people those who have talent in writing. Alright, so there are multiple categories that you can write over here, and there are hundreds of writers over here. And some of the benefits of working at Writerbay are there are no registration fees, you need not to pay anything, and you also get a free lifetime membership, so you can continue your work over here as long as you wish to. Alright, also there are varieties of interesting projects and assignments. That means you are not limited only to write for a particular topic or niche or genre. Also you'll be getting competitive salary, so this time you need not to fear of not getting paid or getting paid very less for your writing. I understand that a writer needs to get paid as per how effective his or her writing is. Okay, so you need not to worry about the salary structure and all. You'll be getting paid as per the market standards. Alright, also if you are a novice in the field of writing or if you wish to grow yourself as a writer, this is the best place. Also for your assistance, or if you are in need of any kind of help, you'll be getting the writer support team availability of 24/7. So all day long you can get support of the writer team over here. Also you'll be getting both the full-time and part-time earning capacities over here. Apart from this, there is also the flexible work schedule. You are free to choose the projects you like. As I've already mentioned, there are multiple categories over here. Confidentiality guaranteed. Also you'll be getting a user-friendly interface. As you can see, the Writerbay website is having a very clean and neat user interface, and there are multiple options over here. Now coming to the most important part of this video. Before you get started with the writerbay.com, you need to have some requirements. You need to have a minimum of bachelor's degree, and over here if you see, the writers having the higher academic level certificates will get to write the more complex and more higher rate jobs. Okay, also you'll be needing the proficiency of English language. You'll need to be very fluent and very confident in writing in English or writing articles in English. Also you'll need to have a high speed internet access for the smooth work access. Also, as I've already mentioned, there are multiple niche and categories. You can choose from any one of them, or you can take up multiple categories and can get started with writing. Accounting, advertising, art and architecture, astronomy, aviation, biology, business, chemistry, communications, consumer science. There are many multiple interesting categories: psychology, religious studies, sociology, sports, statistics, technology, theater studies, tourism, world affairs. So as you can see, the list is non-exhaustive. We do hire people who know their stuff, and we are always looking for those interested in freelancing writing. So if you wish to build up your online presence in the field of freelance writing, Writerbay is definitely going to be a very good website for you. Okay, so as you can see, in the next 24 hours, these are the jobs that you can get started with the writing process. Let's suppose if we take down this one, there is a project requirement related to the field of astronomy of 30 pages, for which a writer is going to get paid $240. And these are the final 4 steps to join the Writerbay. You will need to fill out the application form, then pass the grammar test, Then write a short prompt and upload an essay sample. And finally, upload a photo of your higher education certificate as well as your CV. So what are you waiting for? Here is the option to register. Once you open up this, you'll get to see there is a box. There are multiple boxes that you need to fill in with your personal details: first name, last name, your gender, date of birth, email address, mobile phone number, alternate phone number, email address, and everything else. So this is it. So make sure you take advantage of getting started with the writing process at writerbay.com, and gradually, as soon as you develop your writing style and you start working for clients, it will help you build up your online presence. Good luck. Take care.